Peter, not your average guy. I'm an average YouTube channel, and I am in Georgia. And oh man, it's awesome out here. No, look, I drove by this place, and you cannot see it from here. But this is like the top of a hill, and you got a stunning view on that side. I think I just want to launch a drone and see what's out there and see if it's worthy of filming, because as you guys remember, I had a little bit of battery left. This is not so beautiful, but out there is beautiful. 17%. That's very little. That means if I run out of tablet, I just have to push the turn to home button to have it get back. Well, look. Guys, I hope you like my videos. I hope you like my explorations. Give my videos a thumbs up, share it, comment on it, and subscribe to see the next one.